Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the multi-pocket driver waiter's purse waist wallet. If you're someone who's constantly on the move, handling cash and coins, then this product is definitely for you. First off, let's talk about the quality of this wallet. It's made of durable polyester material, and the coin holder is made of strong plastic. This means that it's built to last, even with daily use. One of the standout features of this wallet is the coin dispenser. It has a spring mechanism that makes it super easy and convenient to use, allowing you to easily access your coins at any time. Plus, with the 8 slots for different euro coins, you can be sure that your coins will be organized and easy to manage. Not only is this wallet perfect for cashiers, accountants, and collectors, but it's also ideal for waiters and drivers. The waist belt allows you to secure it around your waist, keeping your money safe and easily accessible while you're on the job. And let's not forget about the size of this wallet. It's compact and lightweight, so you won't feel weighed down by it while you're working. Plus, with the multiple pockets for bills and a zipped pocket for extra security, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. So, whether you're a waiter, driver, or anyone else who needs to manage cash and coins on a daily basis, this multi-pocket driver waiter's purse waist wallet is a game changer. And the best part? It comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can trust that it's built to last. If you're ready to take your money management to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on your very own multi-pocket driver waiter's purse waist wallet. Don't miss out on this game-changing product. Get yours today. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.